Hi everyone!
Hi.
Welcome to Sapa.
Ang pakalamig. Napakalamig talaga.
Papunta kami sa hot pot place.
Yeah. We're gonna have our anniversary dinner there. We're having a walk kasi it turns out na we're not that far from the restaurant na nakita niya. And it would be nice to, para
Walk.
makapagpawarm. Kasi expected nga Baguio feels lang, no? And we ended up having street food instead of hot pot kasi sobrang gutom na kami. By the way, they sell different kinds of meats as you can see. So we had to double check.
Beef.
Parehas lang siya ng ihaw-ihaw sa atin. So you choose the items and then ipapag-grill mo. But the only difference is isi-serve din siya sa'yo ng nasa pan. So parang samgyup and then she's gonna cut it for you if you want. We also decided to get pho. It was mixed meat, so chicken and beef. One more thing that I wanted to add is that kung beer lover ka, you really have to try their beer. So they have from Hanoi, they have from Saigon, and it's really, really, really cheap. So we also had it. You can just ask them, even if it's street food, it's really a common thing to have beers or to serve food with beer. And basically that's how we celebrated the night. We had good food, beer, really cold weather, and it was amazing. It was just really amazing. Hi! We're trying the coconut coffee. Morning! Day 2 of Vietnam trip and bababa kami for some breakfast.
Breakfast mo. Ano naman yun?
Dessert pa. Masarap. Hello! Welcome to my life. So, lilipat kami ng hotel. Ay, wala pala ako microphone, pero sana rinig niyo ako. Lilipat kami sa second hotel namin. And then, we're gonna go dun sa binook niya na fancy pan tour. Which includes what?
Plus cable car. Right to the peak. Parang ganun.
Parang all-inclusive na siya na tour. And iiwan muna namin yung luggage dun sa lilipatan naming hotel. And wala namang reason ba't kami lilipat. Talagang sinadya lang namin mag-book ng murang hotel muna. Kasi hindi naman kami mag-stay ng matagal.
Una namin gagawin, sasakay kami sa monorail. Papunta din sa cable car na station. After nun, cable car to Pansipan. And then, from Pansipan, pupunta dun sa peak, dun sa highest peak ng Indochina something.
I-share din namin yung pinakang binook niya na package sa Klook. Kasi I believe it's cheaper kasi nga package na siya.
Oh,
No?
yes. Oo.
And then, i-share din namin yung code namin. Uy, my God! Punta na kami sa Sun World para dun sa Fancy Pan Tour. Kapag nga pala nag-book kayo sa Klook, you just have to present the QR code in this station. And ayun na, be ready to ride the monorail and choose the best spot kasi sobrang ganda talaga. Kapag nakarating na kayo sa area na to, freshen up kasi sobrang daming Instagram-worthy spots. After ng monorail, pupunta naman kami sa cable car. And mega walk lang kami. Mega walk.
Tình trạng té ngã để đảm bảo an
Mga wishes. On to the next station, and this time, sasakay naman tayo ng cable car. Keep in mind na hindi mag-stop yung cable car, so you have to be attentive. And kapag sinabi sa inyo na go, just go.
Sorry na, babe.
Ang saya lang kasi nasolo namin yung trip paakyat and na-meet namin sina auntie and her husband and also si Uncle William while on our way to the peak. Kinuhaan din nila kami ng photos and videos. Ang cute lang. If I remember it right, it was about a 10 to 15 minute ride and sulit na sulit bawat segundo. We were literally above the clouds. We're here! We arrived! The whole experience was so magical and educational as well. By the way guys, medyo marami ulit lalakarin papunta dun sa next station where sasakay ulit tayo ng monorail. Just be sure na yung binook nyo sa Klook included yung ride to the peak Kasi sobrang pataas yan. As in, hingal ka dyan, girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my life. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Finally, we reached Fancy Pan.
Nandito na kami sa pinaka-summit. Ganda dito.
And if you guys didn't know, this is the peak, no? Highest peak
highest peak
of
of-
Indochina.
Yeah.
Ang ganda, promise. Ito na yung clouds, oh. Sa
Look at the
background.
clouds. Hey.
Ay, pababa na kami. Pasensya ka na ha if the quality is different kanina. Kasi nalobat ako, te. Nalobat. Tapos yung power bank namin, guess what?
Lobat din.
Lobat din. You know, but it's fine. Ganda kasi ng lashes ko.
우리 엄마는 요술쟁이 어떤 일이든 뚝딱뚝딱뚝딱 세상에서 가장 좋은 엄마의 사랑 엄마의 품에 꼭 안겨 행복한 생각을 해봐요 세상의 모든 것이 다 내 거예요 우리 엄마 영요선생님 나를 웃게 하는 마법사도 슬픈 대신 행복하는
Namin.
엄마의
one, ano?
사랑
Ito parang